want to hear from you. The Human Resource and Social Development Committee is inviting members of the public to share their views on the private members' motions concerning the following proposed changes to the Representation of the People Act. 1. Voters not being limited to using a black lead pencil to make a cross on the ballot. 2. Allowing outdoor agents to be within 20 yards of the polling station. 3. Polling stations closing 1 hour later. 4. Presiding officers not rejecting ballots due to incorrect removal of the counterfoil. And 5. The government immediately funding the Electoral Office of Jamaica, conducting a total re-verification of voters in Jamaica. What are your thoughts on these changes? How do you think this will improve your voting experience? Your feedback is important and will assist the committee in its deliberations on these matters of national importance. All submissions should be made in writing and sent to clerk@japarliament.gov.jm. Persons making submissions may be required to appear before the committee at short notice to explain their views. For more information, visit the Parliament of Jamaica website or our social media pages.